Hey, BeamNG kids, you want some more BeamNG Drive? Take a look at the mod called Sledgehammer. Called Sledgehammer Hand. Called Sledgehammer Mod. The mod where you put out there this bug. Oh, I'm just kidding, guys. Song form. Yeah, we just you would start to drive into the most steer. Now we got it. Now we got it. Finally got this bad boy. Finally got this bad boy in good. Okay, here we go. About to get messed up again. Oh, right on the side. Right on the side. Here we go. Oh man, I really like that. Wait, huh? Hold on. Is our engine rusty? Yeah, it's rusty really bad. It's really rusty. Chips. Oh, we dodged them. But both are like crashing into stuff, the doors like fall off. But you know, the rusty cars, parts fall off. Also, put it into slow-mo until we get there. Oh shoot, I dodged it. Oh my gosh! Man, the codename almost got hit. About codename. They don't got the same lights. The same backlights. Alright, so our codename is ready to get hit. Oh! Instability detected in all full-size simulator pause prematurely. Yeah, my son pal. So the game. So this the game is a code name in the game because stupid code name freaking tried to crash my game. Here we go. Run it again. Pull my body off again. But not. So on the front. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Is that the code name's engine part? Alright, so yeah, that thing is not. So yeah, that car. So it's knocked out. let's do a pigeon. Let's do a pigeon. Let's get the street cleaner. Stabilizer. Good. All you guys are doing is take out trash. Green box. Why is it called green box? And it freaking got a trash can back here. Alright. The pigeon's slow. Oh Jesus! Oh my God! My trash can! My trash bin! Where'd it go? Bro, my trash can's like... My trash can's like gone. Where'd it go? Where did my trash can go? Did it knock it back? Bro, where the trash can at? Did it get knocked back? But where is it? Bro, the sledgehammer knocked the entire trash bag back. Not the entire. Now we can't even see it. Jesus Christ, bro, stop breaking it. Now you bended it. Oh my gosh, this shit. Why does this why does the pigeon have a beacon on it? Even it's not supposed to have a beacon on it. Oh, trash. Oh no, wait, they don't. It's lying, no, they're lying, no, they don't. All right. Ow! Jesus! Hit my car like that! Yo, they hit my car like that! Alright. We're gonna get a I want to get a Cessna plane and crash it into the road and crash it into the. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh my gosh! Glide! I can't. Yo, what's going on? Yo, what's going on with the thing? Gosh! Oh man, we almost hit it! Here we go! BeamNG driving this. again. No more. I'm not doing that no more. Because we keep crashing the plane because my plane won't stop turning. Let's get a Joku semi. And let's get the dump one. Alright, so I got my money. Whee! Here we go! Uh-oh. Right on the side, I gotta get that. Hit it right there! Oh! Jesus. Oh, no. Let's get a, come up, oh, no, crash hard. Alright guys, this is gonna be glitchy, okay? Like really glitchy. But I'm dealing with it though. My budget is glitchy. Bruh. What the frick did you do to my truck? Why my truck's like that? And why is there a freaking engine in the cab? Hold on. What the heck is this? We are getting ready. Yes, sir, we dodged that attack. We dodged the attack. But not good enough. We gotta dodge multiple attacks. No. Oh. Hey, so good. If you think about my truck body didn't come apart. Only few things off the truck didn't come apart. Like the like the other things did. Next car, we're gonna get a Man TGS 6, and then we're gonna get the off-road. No, utility. Doesn't this look like the this look exactly like the urine truck with the four with oh never mind, we all it again. 8 wheels, 5 but doesn't the urine have this tiny wheels? Like the urine don't look a match. Like the engine don't sound like that. Like the engine don't sound like that. But anyway, we're gonna get okay, let's take off. Alright, we're gonna be doing this again. Okay. Well, so it did the same thing like like when we did to the crash hard truck. The cap fell off. Like the cap completely fell out. That's not funny. Yeah, that's kind of it's actually funny, but it's not that funny. Because my freaking cap fell off. Alright, we're gonna be doing another one. How have I been using the oh yeah. This truck has wait, hold on. This truck is a utility truck. So it has 8 wheels on it. See, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wheels on it. But the engine don't sound like that. It's not that slow. And there is why is my hold on. The way for our truck to get all the way over there. What are you doing? And what are you doing? Up. My freaking engines blew up. And we're getting speed. Like crazy. Like really crazy. I hope the truck falls down the stairs. Bruh. This truck's so strong. Hold on, guys. Time to go into my room. Come on, guys. We're going to my room to keep recording. It's not gonna take that long. Night, Oreo. Here we go. Everything dropped.
course. The darkness here. It's always coldest in the darkness.
Alright guys, I'm back. Alright guys, I'm back. And then we're gonna be doing collect the last two cars. Hold on.